New technology could be a game changer for patient record access, CAP's advocacy town hall, and tips for hosting a laboratory tour, all coming up next on the Path News Network. This is the Path News Network, Daily Edition, powered by the College of American Pathologists. I'm Brittany Riddle. Today is Tuesday, August 12th. Here's the latest news. Big tech companies, including Apple and Amazon, are pledging support for a patient-centered data exchange that will allow real-time access to medical records. The announcement from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services has sparked concerns from advocates about patient privacy. The CAP is monitoring the potential impacts of the plan. On Capitol Hill, the Senate has confirmed Dr. Susan Monarez to lead the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Dr. Monarez led the CDC in an interim capacity before being confirmed July 31st. Dr. Monarez has a background in tech and public health and holds degrees from the University of Wisconsin and Stanford University. Advocacy is on the agenda next month at CAP 25 in Orlando. Learn about the CAP's top issues and how you can stay engaged during an advocacy town hall at CAP 25. It's scheduled for September 14th at 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Register today at cap.org. Finally, August is the perfect time for CAP members to invite their lawmakers to participate in a laboratory tour. Joining me today to talk about it is Dr. Jeff Craver. Dr. Craver, can you explain what a lab tour is and how to organize one?
Whenever I go to, for instance, the summit in Washington, D.C., which I've done probably the last 4 or 5 years at least, I'll reach out to the congressional office, particularly the ones that represent my home or my work address, and offer them a chance to come and see what a pathologist does, how we contribute to healthcare. A lot of them, interestingly, don't really know what a pathologist does. So it's a chance for us to educate them and also a chance to give them somebody they can reach out to if they need to in the future as a resource for healthcare issues.
That's interesting. What did your guests take away from their visit?
Pathology, the good definition of it is it's the study of disease. Pathologists, laboratory tests, clinical pathology, anatomic pathology contribute to 85% of the diagnoses made in patients' care. So that really rings true with them in understanding better what a pathologist does. We help make sure those results, whether clinical pathology or anatomic pathology, are good results.
That sounds really good about educating people on what a pathologist does. What advice do you have for members looking to host a lab tour in the future?
There's nothing wrong with trying. You may have to reach out to reach out to as many offices as you can, and if you get 1 or 2 bites, that's great. Just be happy with whatever you get.
That's it for today's edition of the Path News Network Daily Edition, powered by the College of American Pathologists. Visit the show notes for more on today's stories. You can also get more news like this on Tuesdays and Thursdays with our email newsletters. We're back tomorrow at 5 a.m. Eastern Time. Subscribe to this show on Apple, Spotify, or your favorite podcast platform. I'm Brittany Riddle. Thank you for listening.